What's up, everyone? Thank you again for tuning in back to my channel. My name is Milton Navarro. For those who are new to my channel, welcome. On today's video, I'll be unboxing a device that I've held off for maybe a week and a half now, just because I've been waiting on a few accessories to arrive. And you probably have seen so many unboxing reviews already, but I don't care. This one's different. And you probably guessed it. It's the iPhone 12, everyone. The iPhone 12 Pro. It's in Pacific Blue, and I've been wanting to uh, unbox this just because I love iPhone and I love every year when they come out with new devices, and this year was the year for me to actually upgrade. I usually don't upgrade. I wait maybe 2 to 3 years to upgrade, and this phone made me upgrade. I just had to have it. I pre-ordered it, and it arrived to me less than a week after I pre-ordered. So I'm really stoked. And without further ado, let's get to the unboxing, everyone. Let's go. All right, everyone. So here you have it, the iPhone 12 Pro in Pacific Blue, along with the two additional accessories that I ended up purchasing, which is the Spigen Ultra Hybrid Clear Case and the USB-C 20-watt power adapter. So before we actually unbox these, let's go ahead and unbox the life of the party pretty much, which is the iPhone 12 Pro in Pacific Blue, in which I ended up getting the 228 gigabytes. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this. I've been waiting for over a week now. Oof. Just hear that. Oh my god. Wow, nice. Okay. And here you have it. Nice. Slimmer box this year, as they mentioned in their Apple event. Of course, they're trying to be environmentally friendly. Wow. Look at this. Wow, I'm in awe. Can we do that again? It's just I'm never gonna see this again. Wow. Great packaging. Again, always mastering the art of packaging. And I love how thick it is. It requires little cushioning, which I'm liking because they're using less materials now. Um, and here it is. I like the fact that they're using less plastic this year as well. That's very good on them as well. And we really ended up just, um, uh, taking off the plastic anyways, but there's some satisfaction to that. I know that, and I'll probably miss that. But hey, we're saving some trees here. Um, and here you go. We have they include the USB-C to Lightning cable, along with, I believe this is to remove my SIM card or to place my SIM card, and one Apple sticker, which is great because honestly, I'm glad they didn't include both stickers, just because I really don't end up using them at all. I just end up saving them and have tons by now. So at least I'm happy they included one. So that's good. Um, no USB-C 20-watt power adapter, which is very disappointing. Just because I'm going from an iPhone 10 to an iPhone 12, so I had to make the additional buy and purchasing another power brick, which is not as expensive. It's only $19. However, it got me thinking that instead of having this, and here they could have dug a little deeper and included the adapter without having the need to buy an additional box that has more paper, more packaging being used. So it pretty much, if you think about it, you're still wasting trees. But I know where they're going with this in terms of the packaging, the full packaging itself, minimizing that will, require less material. And it could have been less material if you dig another hole and put the USB-C power adapter. I'm just saying. Future thoughts, Apple. Come on. For $1,000 device, include the charger. But going forward, how things are going with wireless, I can see why they want to move towards that path more and include less accessories and in the iPhone. I'm actually happy they didn't include the headphones as well. I don't use those. Those end up pretty much in a pile, and I just end up using my AirPods or my Bose Beats, my Bose Quiet Comfort. So I like that instead. But look at this. Wow. You can automatically tell how shiny it is and how, I'm not sure if you can see the blue in the stainless steel, but this band is just beautiful. Wow, so shiny, extremely heavy, and comforting. It's very comfortable to hold versus the iPhone 10, which to me, beautiful phone. However, tended to be a little slippery on me. So I like the fact how this is very sturdy on my hands. And should I? Should I? Yeah, I'm going to. Oof. Wow. Wow. Perfect. Awesome. So I'm just glad that, they actually ended up going with this color. It's a really nice color. Blue is my favorite color. And comparing to the desk, hopefully you can see how, the color matches the description of Pacific Blue. Beautiful. Let's move this to the side for a bit. And let's open the USB-C power adapter. Right here. Boom, boom, boom. And very simple. USB-C. All right, and then the Spigen Ultra Hybrid clear case. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. Looks sturdy, feels sturdy, and very thin, so I don't like really bulky cases, but yeah. Cool. So that was the unboxing, everyone. So, oh yeah, just a side note, I have a poop head as a balloon just because yesterday was my birthday, November 3rd, and my sister decided to name me Poop Head of the Year, hence the balloon. Yeah, thanks, sis. I chose Pacific Blue iPhone 12 Pro, and I couldn't be happier just because I've always been that guy that goes with the either silver or black or white, and I wanted something different for this phone just because it made me upgrade for a lot of of the features that it has, and I chose 128 gigabytes versus my previous model just because I wasn't using all of the memory on the iPhone 10. And since I have iCloud services as well, which I believe it's running you 299 a month for 256 gigabytes, family shared. I saw that I have currently 120 gigabytes used out of 256, and that's convenient for me because since I'm new to editing, I can easily transfer files between my iPhone and my MacBook Pro. Um, if I record something through iPhoto, it's in iCloud already. And I open my MacBook Pro, just open my iPhoto, and it's there. Or photo application, excuse me, they changed the name. I don't have to go back and forth with saving down this file, transferring it over to my MacBook Pro, and it's just quick and easy for me, and it's convenient. Another thing that I just recently found out is that since I'm a Sprint T-Mobile customer, I have unlimited cloud storage through them as well. So that's what made me decide I really don't want to expend the extra $100 just to get more storage on my phone when I already have enough storage on the cloud. If you want to go back and forth, and if and you have no issues there, then I would suggest you stay that route. If you have issues with storing back and forth through the iCloud or cloud services and getting them downloaded and uploaded, then I would suggest you increase your storage on your phone. Maybe 256. I think 512 gigabytes they're offering now as well, which is awesome. For me, it works. So 128 gigs is enough for me. I'm happy with some of the features that it has, and I can't wait to try it. And just a few quick looks is that it has a 6.1 XDR display, having 5G as well, and it'll be interesting to comparing that to 4G LTE. I can't wait for that. along with ultra wide camera angles, telephoto, having a LiDAR scanner right here. I can't wait for that. They had it on the iPad Pro, and that's going to be interesting when you're taking pictures at night. So can't wait for that. And probably the most exciting feature for me is recording in Dolby Digital HD with 60 frames per second. So that, my friends, is a total game changer. That's pretty much the first smartphone with Dolby Digital capabilities, and that's going to be a game changer for experienced videographers and someone as new as me into this realm. It's going to be very exciting to use my phone as not just my regular day-to-day phone, but also you know my equipment. This is pretty much my equipment. I don't need no fancy smancy cameras, vlogging cameras, and whatnot. This is pretty much all in one, and that's what I love about Apple. They have been really changing up their game with pictures and video capabilities and editing capabilities, and I like the fact that they've managed to hone all of that into one device, very strong device, allowing us to edit on the go, record on the go, so we can share more stories with you guys. So I'm excited. One of the other great things I like about this phone is that you can really feel the durability and the weight of this phone. It weighs 6.66 ounces versus, I believe, 6.1 ounces on my previous iPhone 10. So you can definitely feel how heavy it is, especially because they're using the stainless steel rims. However, they tend to grab onto fingerprints really quickly, so be mindful of that as well. That's why I bought the case, so I can uh, not only protect it, but I don't like seeing smudges on my phone, so that definitely is going to help it. I bought this case, the Spigen hybrid clear case, as a temporary solution, just because I am very picky when it comes to cases, and I didn't see anything that interested me. I'm usually going for the OtterBox, and I didn't like none of their designs. So since this phone is really new in the market, I'm gonna wait a couple of weeks, maybe a couple of months for for them to bring out new designs. So just in the meantime, I'm just gonna stick to this clear case. Spigen is great. They've protected my phones for years, and I'm going to ensure that my phone stays safe and review this as well in later videos. So the great features on the camera on this phone is having the ability to record in Dolby Vision HDR with 60 frames per second, along with the enhanced stabilization that they've incorporated on this phone is phenomenal. I can't. One of the great things I like about this phone as well is the advancement they've made on the front camera. Since we're running in an age where all of our meetings are being hosted virtually, it's essential to have good image quality. My previous phone, the iPhone 10, had a 7 megapixel camera. This one has a 12 megapixel. I mean, that's it, guys. I mean, other than just being a beautiful phone and well designed um, piece of machinery, I think this phone has come a long way since the 10. I know the iPhone 11 was great when it came out last year, but when I looked at the 11 Pro, I said, that's not making me upgrade. It really wasn't, just because a lot of the features were slightly enhanced but not fully there. This, however, changes the game, and I can already sense that the amount of footage I'm going to get is going to be high quality. Um, so without further ado, I think let's go ahead and let's go for a ride to the mall and let's get my screen protector. Come on, guys. So everyone, unfortunately, I wasn't able to install the screen protector at my usual spot at the mall. I was on my run and I stopped at the mall on the way and noticed that the spot that I usually go to is closed due to the pandemic, like many other locations that are closing down. However, I was able to snag the screen protector at Best Buy, which is called the ZAG Glass Elite Vision Guard, which I'll be doing a separate video on the unboxing along with the installation. If the guy can do it, I might as well do it. That's fine. I usually go with this brand. It's always worked for me in the past, so I'm going to stick with that. Along with Mr. Poophead is going to stick with me for a couple more videos, just because I'm going to allow this balloon to deflate. So in the meantime, it's just going to keep me company. So thank you again for watching this video. Hopefully it has helped you decide which color and data storage you will be going with, the iPhone 12 Pro, or if you're going with the iPhone 12 Pro and not going with it, that's fine. Hopefully, it has allowed you to, make this decision on as to what device you will go with in the future as well. Just because a lot of companies are making a lot of enhancements on their devices, and I like the step forward that Apple has made this year. So thank you again for tuning into my videos. Click that like button along with subscribe. Tell your friends about it, and hopefully I'm able to bring you more good content and good quality with this phone. So until then, thank you so much. Enjoy your week and talk to you soon. Peace.